Hi, I'm going to make the Mandarin chicken today. I have about 10-ounce chicken, 2-ounce broccoli, 2-ounce red pepper, 2-ounce white onion, a few pieces ginger, and few pieces garlic. And for the sauce, I use a half cup of water, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper crust. And I use 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water to mix. And also I put a pinch of salt. This is 10-ounce chicken and pinch of white pepper. Then I put egg white, tablespoon of cooking wine, and some cornstarch, and mix. Then I'm going to deep fry it. And I deep fry until they turn golden brown. Okay, that looks good, so I'm gonna remove it. Deep fry until they turn golden brown. Okay, then I'm gonna stir fry a little bit, and I need some oil. And I stir fry the ginger and onion and the garlic first. And put the onion in it. I let it stir fry a little bit. I'm going to put all the sauce in it. And mix. Then I stir fry broccoli and red pepper in it. Then I put all the chicken in it. And I put all the sauce in it. Then I put the cornstarch with water in it. Okay, that looks good. I'm going to turn off the heat. Okay, Dex, I have today the Mandarin chicken.